Okay, now go sideways. Yep. Good job. Now can you gallop? Gallop. Or hop. Or skip. Skip back. Like this. There you go. Now hop back with both feet. Like a bunny. There you go. Okay. Now can you hop on one foot back? Now switch to the other foot. Hop on one foot. Hop on one foot. Okay. Woo! Good job. Jump all the way. Woo! Good job. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job. Now weave back and forth. Good job. Hop on one foot and then switch to the other foot. Hop, 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 hop on one foot. One foot. One foot. Hey, Kate. Kate, can you jump? Can you jump? You gonna get in there and jump?
I can jump my legs.
Wait, let Kate do it. Hold on. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, Lauren, wait. Jump, 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 Kate. Jump, jump, jump. Oh. She doesn't want you in there. Hold on. Just let her jump for a minute. Lauren, can you get out for just a second and let Kate jump? Please? You gonna sit over there? Okay. Kate, you jump. Wait, no, Lauren. No, let Kate jump. Okay, Kate, you jump. Go jump. You wait, Lauren. You wait. Lauren, can you get out of the trampoline, please? Lauren, Olivia, 3, 2, thank you. Okay, Kate, jump. Jump. Wow! Wow! Jump. Good job. Lauren. Lauren.
What?
Hop on one leg like this. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it better than that. Come here. Come out here and jump.